Leela Studio. In today's video, I am going to show you
cutting of 6-piece sari
this
petticoat.
skirt will fit very well around the waist and hip and will have a wider hem. Okay, so let me show you from the start. And this I have taken 1.20 meters. I have just folded here and I'm leaving it like this here. So there is a double fold here. Can you see there's one fold here, another fold. So two folds, I folded it into two and you will have
1, 2, 3 and 4 layers. 4 layers of fabric.
It is not in level, so we'll have to draw a straight line and level it and cut them. And the width of the fabric is 17.5, half width is 17.5, so it is 35 inches with fabric. Next, I'm going to mark for the length. So the length, total length I need is 38 inches. 38 inches is coming here. So we are going to cut here and remove this part. So now let's see how to calculate the waist. My round waist is 33 inches. So I am going to take 33 inches plus 1.5 inches for ease plus 4 for seam allowance. 4 inches for seam allowance. Total I'm getting 38.5 inches. We need to divide this by 8 inches. Then you get 4.8 inches. So why I'm dividing by 8 is because there is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So which will come here 4. And then here there is also again 4. But only thing is there is a fold here. So we need to divide by 8 and you get 4.8. That is 5 inches. So you just mark here 5 inches here. And also this side, you have to mark here 5 inches. Okay, so mark here 5 inches. So it will be easy. Okay, so remember we have taken 38 inches length, 5 here, 5 there. And now we will have to connect this point to this point. We will connect these two like this. Keep this scale like this and just draw a little and connect from here. Yeah. Okay. Now we have taken the shape for the skirt. So now you know that we have 6 pieces. 4 here, 2 fold here. So now let's give a shape here for the hem of the skirt. Okay, so just take only half an inch, not more than that. Just take half an inch and then you can give a shape from this midpoint till here. So you can just fold it also, keep it here, and then see from here you have to join here. You can either join like this or you can use a French curve. Just measure half an inch, not more than that, because then you will not get the round shape. Okay, from this midpoint you just keep this here, see, and then join it like this. Okay, then we can cut it. See, now we have given a shape for the hem here as well as here. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this. Okay, now let us cut the slight curve shape which we have given here. See, now when we join here, it will give a nice shape here. Okay. Now let me show you how to join them. Keep the 4 pieces. This is the 2 folded piece. Okay. So this piece is the center piece, center part of the skirt. And just take 2 of this, the side panel, and keep it here. Make sure that the selvage will come this side and the piece where we have cut cross will come to this point here. Okay, it will come here and this piece will come this side. But before that, we'll just mark the wrong side like this so that we know this is the inner side. Okay. So here and here. So this will come here and this will go. Okay, so now I'm going to take it to the machine and attach here these 2 here this side, and the selvage will come on the side like this, and this also I'm going to attach here like this, straight like this and attach. Okay, and this piece will come here. The same way I'm going to attach the back part of the skirt also like that. And let me cut the belt for the skirt. I'm going to cut here 2 inches for the belt on fold. Okay, 2 inches for the belt on fold. The wrong side. Okay, see, I've attached on the wrong side. Now just fold so much and keep it on top and we will stitch. You just fold this. Okay, fold it like this here, and then you fold here so much. And then you turn it over this. Keep it like this. See, can you see? You can even put a pin if you want. I'll show you again. See, fold this like this, fold here about half an inch, then fold here, cover it nicely, then just put a pin here and then keep folding, and you can put a pin so that it will not come out. First fold half an inch like this. Here, leave this opening. You can leave it as whatever you're comfortable with putting the skirt. I will show you the waist measurement. My waist measurement is 33 inches. So half of 33 inches is 16.5. Can you see? I have 16.5 exactly. And the length, I wanted 38 inches. So let's see the length also. I'm keeping the measurement here and taking it here. And you can see that it is 38 inches exactly correct. Okay, see here. I also stitched this for tying on the waistband. Okay, so this also, this you can, I'm sure you all can do this. Skirt will definitely look very nice and very comfortable to wear because of the wide hem at the bottom. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this is very useful for you all to make the sari skirt, because you cannot buy the skirt as per your body measurement in the ready-made skirts. So it's better to make it for yourself. See, since this opening is not very big, when you tie it, it will be closed. Okay, so please give your comments below, and so that it will encourage me to do more videos for you all. Thank you.